Alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about what does social media management include and how to unthrow it on freelancing sites. Social media marketing, social media reporting tools, social media management system, how to make money as freelance social media manager. Working as a freelance social media manager can provide a lot of freedom. Luckily, social media management can be done from anywhere as long as you have access to a reliable Wi-Fi connection. If you already have some experience under your belt, it's quick and easy to get started as a freelancer. Whether you are established social media manager interested in becoming a freelancer or a business looking to hire one, we have outlined the rates, best practices and key requirements for the role below. What is freelance social media manager? A freelance social media manager is a social media marketing expert who provides on demand services. They are usually a team of one are registered with their local chamber of commerce and work with multiple companies and clients. While freelance social media manager in general handle their clients' social media presence, some freelance gigs more specific has a list of services commonly offered by freelance social media managers. Social media strategy, creating and managing contents, calendars, content creation, photography design, copywriting, scheduling, and publishing post, community management, analytics, and reporting. Of course, not all social media managers are freelance. More and more organizations employ in-house social media team. That's how we do it. House would suit anywhere, regardless the job. Take the same skill. The video about a day in the life of social media manager is a to 7 is good freelance social media manager should have. Good freelance social media manager need all the skills of a normal social media manager plus the skills needed to run their own business, as the first part is not hard enough. Social media, copywriting, photography design, and community management, analysis, reporting, presentation and sales, client relationship management. Hope you understand. Please like our video and subscribe our channel and press the bell notification icon button. You never miss any update from our channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet on next video tomorrow at the same time and same channel, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.